Today we are talking about natural ways to alleviate digestive issues. Hi, my name is Sue Ann Hickey. I'm the creator of Body Typology, System for Lasting Weight Loss. Nutrition, healthy eating, healthy lifestyle has been a passion of mine for over 28 years. Now there's three things I want to talk to you about today. Number one, the importance of stress and anxiety and how it wreaks havoc on the digestive system. Number two, how to be aware of food intolerances. And three, we're going to look at digestive enzymes and everything that to do to help increase your digestive health by increasing digestive enzymes easily into your diet. Now, number one, show me someone that has Crohn's, colitis, IBS, big digestive issues, and almost 99% of the time, they have huge anxiety and stress. The two go hand in hand. The nervous system and the digestive system are completely intertwined, right? So how can you better manage your stress? How can you reduce your anxiety? What can you do, especially when you're eating a meal, to calm down, to eat in a relaxed state, to slowly chew your food well? You knew I was going to mention that, right? It is so important. Digestion starts in the mouth. So if you're super stressed, eating really quickly, not taking the time to chew, your stomach can hardly have a chance in being able to break down all these large food particles that have not been chewed and broken down in the mouth with all the digestive enzymes that are secreted in the mouth. So number one thing to do, look at your stress and anxiety. What can you do? Go for a walk, take meditation or yoga classes, tune into nature, talk to a girlfriend, do everything you can to reduce your stress. That will in turn help your digestive system 100%. Now, a lot of people have a ton of bloating, right? Especially after a meal. Why is that? What are the causes? One reason could be overeating, but the main cause is food intolerances. Now, how do you figure out what food you're intolerant to? Simply by taking it out of your diet for about 4 to 5 days. See how you feel. Do you feel better? Adding it back in. Do you have digestive issues again? You can start to play the detective to figure out what kind of foods work for you or don't work for you. Some of the big culprits are wheat. Like almost all my clients, when they come to see me, they say they're bloated, they don't know why, and I have them replace wheat with better, clean alternatives. If it's possible for them to find kamut or spelt, they can still have bread and pasta and cereal. However, replace wheat with better alternatives. Try some quinoa or brown rice, better whole grains, and you'll probably see your bloating goes down. Other food intolerances are, of course, dairy. Many people do not digest milk, even if it's lactose-free. If you don't digest milk well, then listen to your body. Cut out dairy, see if that feels better. Now, other food intolerances may be corn and or soya, but everyone needs to figure out what their body is tolerating or not tolerating. So do the test, maybe keep a food journal, write down what's happening. If you suffer from food intolerances, what happens is often the body will push the substance out of the body, so if you have diarrhea, what did you eat right before that your body is not tolerating? So you can figure that out as well. Your digestive system should work without any problem, without any gas or bloating or any intolerances. You should just digest the food without even noticing that it's happening. Now, the number 3 thing I want to talk to you, as I mentioned, is digestive enzymes. Many people lack digestive enzymes. We get them in our raw food. So those of you like me who live in the Northern Hemisphere, I'm from Montreal, in the winter, we're not eating very many raw foods because they're just soggy and come from a long, far way away, and they're just not fresh. So we go more towards the cooked foods, cooked vegetables, comfort foods in the winter, of course. And when we lack the raw foods, we lack the digestive enzymes. So how to alleviate that? How to help your digestive system? Increase your raw foods, even some in the winter, and eat things like celery. Celery has the highest level of digestive enzymes of almost all any vegetables. So have a stalk of celery before lunch or dinner, or sprouts are also super high in digestive enzymes. I've suggested this to many clients and they're like, I'm telling all my friends my acid reflux is gone just from adding in celery and being, eating a healthier diet. So our digestive enzymes help the secretion of hydrochloric acid in our stomach, which then helps digest the food. So some people may be producing too much hydrochloric acid, especially under the age of 30. That produces way more acidity in the body. You might have pain before a meal. So you need to learn how to reduce your stress again, reduce the acidity, eat more dark leafy greens. But as we age, we tend to produce less hydrochloric acid. So we might feel the need to even take a digestive enzyme supplement to help the body produce enough hydrochloric acid. Another great thing you can try is taking a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Try Bragg's. It is with unpasteurized, raw, natural apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon in a cup of water with a meal. If that helps you, this apple cider vinegar actually mimics the hydrochloric acid in your stomach, helping digestion. So if you feel better, you might know that you need more hydrochloric acid or a digestive enzyme to help your digestive system. If you feel way worse, don't call me, but that could mean that you're already producing too much acid. Now, there's many other reasons for digestive ailments, candida, overeating, gallbladder that's been removed so you're not having some place to store the bile that digests the fats. Many things can be going on. If you need more help, by all means, contact me and sign up for my free Clean Carbs Challenge if you want to know about helping replace wheat with better alternatives and eat a healthy diet that's sustainable long term. Clean Carbs Challenge is starting August 31st, Monday. It's 5 days where I'll be going live every day, teaching you how to eat healthy and implement small changes every day, as well as motivational emails. So by all means, join me. And the link will be either above or below, depending on which platform you're watching this in. So thanks for watching and have a great day.